Carrots are one of the most sought-after crops. It is eaten, used in industry. In addition to the cultivated varieties of this vegetable, there is another species that grows in nature and has many medicinal properties. This species is found quite often, for example, on the outskirts of roads or in forests. What is the wild carrot? The name of this species is wild carrot. This is an unpretentious plant that grows almost everywhere. The name itself speaks for itself, and this variety is very different from the garden variety. The Latin name of this plant comes from the word Danian, meaning to burn, warm, and has a Greek root. It indicates the burning taste of the seeds of this plant. Is wild carrot edible? This herb has a long tap fusiform root of white or yellow color. The root and the leaves are edible before it is flowered. In addition to the fact that it is used to improve the taste of dishes, it has many useful properties. Nutrition facts. Wild carrots contain a large number of useful trace elements. 100 grams of wild carrot approximately has 0.93 grams of protein, 9.58 grams of carbs, 0.24 grams of fats, and contains 41 calories. It is also worth noting the low content of both micro and macro elements in carrots, which are extremely important for humans. Health benefits. The fruits of this shrub are used to make various tinctures. When the blossoming time is over, they are collected in the fall. Because the seeds in a ripe state quickly crumble, it's critical to gather them early in the ripening process. The plants themselves are cut, dried, and threshed, and the fruits are additionally dried at a high temperature. They are ground into powder and used in a coffee grinder. Before use, wild carrot seeds are also processed into a powder. They can help with digestion, decrease stomach and intestine pain, increase libido, induce menstruation, and make pregnancy easier. Uses. Early spring or late autumn are the best times to harvest herbaceous plant root crops. Raw or freshly juiced, they are used in medicine. As a laxative, they're used. Root vegetables are sometimes dried so that they can subsequently be used as a seasoning or made into tea. Today, wild carrots are very common in medicine. Root vegetable juice can help with constipation, and it's best to eat them raw if you have it. Seeds are also used to make medicines for the treatment of angina pectoris. They're essential oil aids in the relief of heart artery spasms. They also have a soothing impact on the nervous system, specifically the cerebral cortex. Wild carrot formulations are utilized in the treatment of renal colic for this reason. Often, after a couple of days of taking a drug based on a similar plant, the patient feels a significant improvement. Lastly, wild carrot is being one of the most important in medicine. Its medicinal properties of it are so diverse that it is used almost in all spheres. Wild carrot is able to cure various diseases. You can use drugs that are based on wild carrot.